Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
This guide will walk you through a highly effective method for duplicating your favorite firearms within Tha Bronx 2025. By leveraging a specific game mechanic, you can easily create multiple copies of any weapon you possess, saving significant time and in-game currency. Pay close attention to the sequence of actions, as precision is key to making this exploit work every single time. Let's get started now and boost your arsenal significantly. Before attempting the duplication glitch, make sure your character is properly prepared. Equip the specific weapon you want to duplicate into your primary weapon slot. It is crucial to have at least 3 vacant inventory slots ready, as these will house the new copies of your gun. Position yourself precisely next to the weapon vendor located in the south-central safe zone. This spot offers the most consistent results for the exploit. To initiate the duplication, first ensure your chosen weapon is equipped. Next, open your inventory, then promptly drop the equipped weapon onto the ground. The critical timing comes right after dropping. Rapidly open and close your inventory menu exactly 3 times. Finally, quickly pick up the weapon you just dropped. This sequence must be performed fluidly within approximately 3-4 seconds for the glitch, to register correctly and provide duplicated items. Once you have executed the steps, immediately open your inventory to verify the duplication. You should now find at least 1 extra copy of the weapon you just dropped and picked up. For optimal results, you might sometimes see even more. To continue multiplying your arsenal, simply drop one of the newly duplicated weapons and repeat the entire process from the dropping step. This allows for continuous, efficient gun duplication. While this duplication glitch is highly effective, it's crucial to understand some important considerations. Game developers frequently monitor exploits like this and may release patches that render them unusable in future updates. Therefore, utilize this method promptly. Store any duplicated weapons safely in your personal stash to protect them against potential inventory resets or losses if the glitch is disabled. A stable internet connection helps ensure the precise timing required for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.